how to log in to chess.com. So if you want to log in or sign in to chess.com, then first you need to make sure that you've installed the application. After that, just simply go with chess.com, launch the application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now go and log in, which will be in the top right, and it will take you to the login interface. Now here you can enter your phone number, email, or your username, and then enter your password and tap on continue, which will be on the bottom, and you'll be logged into your account. Or you can also use your Google or your Facebook to log into your account. So I'll just simply go with the Google option, which will be the easiest one. So go with your account that you've used to create. Now tap on agree and share, and that's it. Your account has been created. Or if you've used that Google account to create your account, then your account has been logged in. You can check that by going to more, which will be in the bottom, profile section, which is right here. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.